Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and look, the weather's getting warmer. We're into spring, almost summertime. It's a great time of year. It's time to start doing burgers and some hearty foods like that. So today I want to share with you a great turkey burger recipe with an avocado spread for the top. So we're going to start with the avocado spread, okay? I'm going to go ahead and cut into my first avocado. I'm going to use 1.5 avocados. And yeah, that one looks really good. Be careful when you go to get the seed out, but that's how you do it. Just with the blade of your knife, and it should pop right out. Avocado into the bowl. You know, we were just having a conversation about avocados, Teresa and Ed and I, and they are wonderful and they're very good for you. They're high in fat, but it's a good fat. And Teresa said, "Do you think you could eat an avocado every day?" And I said, "Well, I do. We do in my house." But avocado is one of my favorite things, and we eat lots of them. So we'll use this in lieu of like a mayonnaise or something else. Avocado spread, nice, super good, fresh, delicious. We are not in California, so whenever we can get a good ripe avocado like that, we celebrate. Sometimes they have to sit on the counter for a couple of days. These sat on the counter for 2 days. But they are beautiful and ready to go. I got 1/2 of an avocado here for Teresa to or you can have maybe just eat. So beautiful avocado. I've gotten it out of the shell, put it into a bowl here, and I'm going to go ahead and add some lime juice. At my house, I squeeze fresh lemons over my avocado. It's a nice preservative. It'll keep the avocados from turning brown on you. It'll hold it for a little while. I'm going to go ahead and mash it up. I use a potato masher also with my avocados, and it really does the trick. And the lime juice that's in the bowl with the avocado will you know, help break it up. Now we could go with just this, but we're going to jazz it up a little bit. I'm going to add to that some sour cream. A little bit of cumin, a little bit of salt. Mix this together. And this will be the topping, the spread for our buns. Woo-wee. Okay, so let's stick this in the fridge, take a quick break, and we'll come back and get the burger started. Wonderful. I've got my avocado spread ready, and it's tucked away in the fridge. And now we're going to begin on the turkey burgers. Now listen, first things first, it's a turkey burger. I'm open-minded. I like all kinds of burgers. I like turkey burgers. I like chicken burgers. I love good ground beef burgers. So, but today it's turkey. If you want to use ground beef, it's up to you. This recipe would work with ground beef also, but these flavors go very well with the turkey burger. So, for the burgers themselves, I'm chopping right now some cilantro. And if you don't like cilantro, because I know that half of you out there just went, bleh. If you don't like cilantro, you could use parsley, and it'll give a nice just sprinkle of green color into your recipe. And parsley is much less flavorful than cilantro. So to our turkey, I'm going to add the 3 tablespoons of cilantro. A little chipotle seasoning, chipotle pepper, seasoned salt, a little cumin, some black pepper, and with the microplane, I'm going to add about maybe a teaspoon of lemon zest. Excuse me, lime zest, which is going to brighten it up. Looks good. I'm going to go ahead by hand and get this mixed, and then we'll patty them up. So as I'm blending our flavors together with our turkey, maybe we should take one break, and we'll come right back. Okay, everybody, the turkey is looking good. I'm getting everything combined. Now, the turkey was, the feel of it was telling me that it was going to be hard to patty. So I added a little bit of panko to it. I added about a half cup of panko just to give it a little body and sort of help me with the patties. But this is coming together real nicely. You can see that pop of green in there. That cilantro is going to give a nice flavor. And with the lime zest, man, I'll bet these are going to be super, super good. All right, so just get a liberal amount of the turkey together and start making some patties. Woo-wee. The turkey burgers look amazing. I've just washed my hands, so I'm going to use a spatch here to get my patties into the air fryer. Oh, what am I thinking? There it goes. Straight in. Air fryer is going to hold about 2 patties at a time. So 2 nice big turkey patties. 365 for 15 minutes total. At about 7 minutes, I'm going to turn them over. So let's go ahead and get started. Look at that beautiful, beautiful turkey burger just out of the oven. That thing is piping hot. Smells wonderful. Use a little bit of our avocado sour cream spread on the bun here. Some beautiful living lettuce. Yeah. Some pickles would be good, but I don't have a pickle. We'll go just like this. Look at that beautiful, beautiful turkey burger. Let's taste it. Very, very, very good. Very, very, very good. The flavors from the turkey burger are light, but they're there. You got the cumin, a little bit of salt. They're nice umami seasoned flavor. I could eat a couple of them because I don't have fries. I think I'll have 2. All right. Thanks, everybody. See you next time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.